if we want to turn around this planet in terms of water, in terms of soil condition, this is something most people ignore in terms of ecology, the soil. The damage we have caused to the soil on the planet is the biggest. Other things may be visible, ice is melting somewhere, it's visible. But the damage to the soil we have caused across the planet is incredible and most dangerous, because this is where life evolves. You and me are just a little bit of soil. If we fix the soil, water is fixed, air is fixed, everything is fixed. Soil must be rich and on, because this is the same sod.
Very well said, and I can give a little context for that. Three things that will give us a livable planet and give us a sustainable planet for 10 billion people by 2050. And it is this 100% renewables, 100% regenerative agriculture, and saving half for nature. And so your point about soils is really at the centerpiece of all that.
This human being is a tremendous possibility. Humanity has the intelligence and for the first time the competence to fix things on this planet like never before. We are the first generation who have the necessary competence, intelligence, technology and communication capabilities. We have to exercise this competence. We must raise human consciousness. How open everything is left in you. This is what consciousness means. Consciousness means a limitless existence. Every human being has to come in contact with this dimension of intelligence within us. Only then we will function in a way that our well-being is not detrimental to something else, not just another human being, to everything else. This is not an ecology class, this is the nature of existence. If your experience is limited to something, everything else unknowingly you will damage. If your experience includes everything, then everything that you do, every action that you do, every breath that you take will be in contribution to everything else.